Once the trampoline frame is put in the hole and leveled, you can install the weed fabric around the perimeter of the trampoline. Be sure to attach the upper portion of the weed fabric to the upper frame so it stays in place while you're backfilling. Pound in stakes about 18 inches apart along the long inner sides of the trampoline to hold it in place. This is where you're going to put a heavy-duty ratchet strap in the center on the long sides to suck in the sides of the trampoline so that the trampoline frame is in the shape that it will be once the jumping mat and springs are installed. When you install the springs, the frame is sucked in considerably. So we want the frame to be the correct shape while you're backfilling. The proper distance is 114 inches from the inner edge of the little square bracket in the center to the other one on the opposite side. The tape measure shows 114 inches to the inner edge of that square tubing. If your trampoline does not have that inner square tubing, the inside of the frame to the inside of the frame should be about 117 inches apart. Now you're ready to backfill by adding about 12 to 18 inches of soil and then jump compact it so it's good and solid. Then you can add some more and keep doing that in layers. Here we've installed weed fabric on the floor of the trampoline and then a few inches of washed gravel just to keep it looking clean and nice.